Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer email hosting securely using Microsoft 365 Tenant migration, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have the necessary permissions in both the source and destination Microsoft 365 tenants. Start by conducting a comprehensive inventory of mailboxes in the source tenant. Next, prepare your destination tenant by configuring the necessary settings for email hosting. Ensure both tenants are using the necessary licenses for Microsoft 365. Once you have confirmed that both tenants are ready, utilize the Microsoft 365 Admin Center to create user accounts in the destination tenant. After user accounts are set up, configure the destination tenant's DNS records to ensure proper email routing. It's crucial to verify that these DNS records are pointing to the new tenant before proceeding. Now, enable mailbox migration in the source tenant's Exchange Admin Center. Using the Exchange Admin Center, create a migration batch for the mailboxes you wish to transfer. Configure the batch settings, including the number of mailboxes to migrate at a time. Once the migration batch is created, start the migration process. Monitor the status of the migration through the Exchange Admin Center to ensure all mailboxes are transferring as expected. Upon completion of the migration, verify the integrity of the emails in the destination tenant. Conduct testing to ensure that all mail functionality, including sending and receiving emails, is operational. Finally, once everything is confirmed to be working, update your DNS records to finalize the transfer. Remember to keep the source tenant accessible for a period during which users can recover any missed emails. This will ensure a seamless transition while maintaining access to critical emails. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.